Hey there, my minions! Tone Dog barking at you again with a special Dog of the Dead. I forgot my gimbal, so this is all handheld and it's going to be shaky. But I'm here at the Grotto off of Sandy Boulevard in good old Portland, fucking Oregon. And it seems like after his Easter service, Pope Francis went home. Yeah, he went tits up, and so now he's up there playing poker with Val Kilmer and Jesus, and I think we all know who's winning. But I guess in tribute to Pope Francis and Val Kilmer, we're here at the Grotto. This is a beautiful place here in good old Portland, Oregon. Sorry about this being shaky. I'm just holding it by hand. But yeah, I'm gonna walk through all the really good parts of it. There's quite a few people here. Well, not yet because it's still real early, but we're gonna look at some of the neat things there is to see at this place. Because they got a whole lot of stuff like this. Pretty neat, eh? Yeah, the minions are showing up to pay their respects to Pope Francis. Here we have a memorial to the very famous, very wonderful Mr. John F. Kennedy. Yeah, this place is really beautiful. It has a big church, and I think I'm getting washed out here, but a big church in the back here, and there's a monastery way up here on the hill, and a beautiful, what they call Stations of the Cross walkthrough down here. And that's where we'll go first. Okay, we'll go down to the first station here. Jesus is condemned to death. Okay, then we go out the walkway up to the next one here. And here we go. Jesus carries his cross. Okay, from there, follow the little path down the road here. The next one. Here Jesus falls the first time. Okay, we'll go from there on down to the next one here. Jesus meets his afflicted mother. Okay, go down to the next one. Here, Simon of Cyrene helps Jesus carry his cross, the Good Samaritan. Alrighty then, and we mosey along down till we get up to the next one. And here, Veronica wipes the face of Jesus. And then on down the road, we come on up to the next one. And here, Jesus falls for the second time. Now, we head on up here to the next one. Then here we are to this one. Jesus speaks to the weeping daughters of Jerusalem. And on down here a ways, through the next one. And here, Jesus falls for the third time. And everybody knows 3 strikes and you're out, right? On to the next. Here we are to this one. Then Jesus was stripped of his garments. On to the next. We go to this one. Then Jesus is nailed to the cross. Onto the next. And here we go. Probably the most popular. Jesus Christ dies on the cross. Here, Jesus is taken from the cross. Here, Jesus is placed in the sepulchre, his tomb. Sepultura! And then, my minions, here we have Jesus has risen from the dead. Here we have another fantastic statue of Jesus carrying his cross. Which leads on over into the actual grotto square. We've got a bunch of the nuns out here doing their prayers. And this is an awesome space here. Take a look. There's more candles there, couple ones here, couple ones over there, and especially the ones in the center for all the people who are here praying for Pope Francis. And this is a wonderful place to do it, my minions. Wonderful place. Goes to show you though that life goes on. Life goes on. And here we go, folks, is the chapel here. We'll take a quick look inside. Seems like we got a few people paying their respects today. This is wonderful. Whatever. I'm not Catholic, I'm not religious, but when in Rome, I suppose. So, folks, here we are now, and I think we've seen anything that is crucial to see here in the grotto. And now if you see some more stuff up on, there's a meditation chapel up there, and there's the elevator that goes up to that, but I ain't gonna go up there. There's some more statues up there, and This is the square out here in front of the big church. The grotto of our sorrowful mother. Yeah, my minions, if you're a Jesus freak or a Bible thumper, you would really like this place. I mean, I like it anyway, and I'm not, but it's just such a historic and beautiful, like I said, it's like the cemeteries. This is a time capsule. Very, very neat. And so, my minions, as we reflect on this holy ground, and people like Pope Francis, Val Kilmer, Gene Hackman. What a loss, huh? And but it just goes to show you, no matter who you are, where you are, what you are, our time will come. So this has been Tone Dog talking to you, my minions. I love you all. You need to reflect a little bit. Make good use of the time that you have left. And this has been Dog of the Dead at the Grotto in Portland, Oregon. See you later, my minions. Love you.